you can see a rectangle ABCD. It has a length of 10 cm and a breadth of 5 cm. After that, it is folded and it became the figure on the right side, which is AECD. To find the area of a rectangle, it is length times breadth. The length is 10 cm, the breadth is 5 cm. So it is equal to 50 square centimeter. Now we look at question 1b. We want to find the area of the figure after the paper was folded. So we are looking at this figure. We want to find the area of this figure. This is the rectangle before it was folded. Now I draw a line where it is going to be folded. Now I fold this triangle. This is the figure after it is folded. This figure AECD is the figure after the rectangle ABCD is folded. Look at the yellow line EB. What is the length? So EB is 5 cm. Look at the yellow line. So what is the length of BC? It is also 5 cm. Line EB is 5 cm. This red line is 5 cm. When I open up the rectangle, this dotted line is also 5 cm. You can see that the figure made up of two triangles has 4 equal sides. To find the area of this square, we take its side times side, which is 5 times 5. So the area of this square is 25 square centimeter, which is the same as square AEBD, which has 4 equal sides. So square AEDB is 25 square centimeter. So the triangle EBC is half of the area of the square. The area of square is 25. So half of 25 is divided by 2. So the area of the triangle is 12.5. The question wants us to find the area of the rectangle after it is folded. The area of the yellow figure is made up of the area of the square plus the area of half the square. On the left, we have found area of square is 25. And area of half the square is 12.5. Area of the figure after it is folded is 37.5. So the answer for 1B is 37.5 square centimeter.